When you get tired of coding, do these things I'm going to explain, because you might at a point get tired of coding. Why coding? Okay, this is for those that are interested in learning how to code. Pay attention. Okay, so that said, before you start coding, please, the first thing first, you have to understand that at a point it might not be easy. Bear that in mind. So have it at the back of your mind that at a point during your coding process, it might not be easy. Okay, and that is actually why you must have a coach, okay, so that when it gets tough, then you see somebody you can ask questions. So that's by the way, okay? But then while you are coding, when you get tired of coding, what do? First thing you might consider doing is go to sleep. Yes, sleeping helps a lot to rejuvenate you, as in give you the power to keep going. Even if you get frustrated in anything, apart from coding, in anything you're doing, you get frustrated, go to sleep. After sleeping, you feel a lot better. Okay, and one thing is that if you leave what you're doing and you go to sleep, what you are doing, your brain has not left what you're doing. Sometimes when you wake up, your brain will begin to give you ideas on how to simplify whatever challenge you're having. Or if you've gotten tired after sleeping, you'll get energy to continue. Okay, that's why it's important. Go to sleep. But if you're not sleepy, go and do other things. There are many other things you can do. You can go outside, go and play, then come back later to continue. But one thing you must not do is to keep forcing yourself to keep learning when you are tired, or to keep doing coding when you are tired. If you keep coding when you are tired, you are likely going to make expensive mistakes that you might not be able to correct. You can correct it. There's no mistakes you are not going to correct. But sometimes, in coding, when you launch an app and you've made a mistake and you are not aware that you've made a mistake, you launch the app, it might cost you money, especially if it is maybe a financial app. Somebody might use it and you lose money. It has happened to me. It has really happened to me. You understand me? So that's why you must be, especially if you're working on something serious and you got tired, leave it. Don't force yourself. Leave it. Go and do other things or go to sleep. Okay? And if you go to sleep, when you wake up, you're going to see that you're going to have a refreshed mind and new ideas to keep doing it. Okay? At the end of the day, you are going to get powerful result out of it. And if you've been building an application, you are going to notice that after sleeping, you come up with new ideas. Sometimes when you want to build an app, you want to build an app, and you already have a picture of the app you want to build. After sleeping, you see that sometimes the picture will change, and it will be a lot better when you build it. It won't be exactly what you plan to build. Sometimes when you plan to build something, at the end of the day, it will change a lot, and it will be a lot better than how you conceived it. So sleep is indispensable when it comes to coding. Then, if there are things that are confusing you, please ask your coach. Ask your coach. But you can try to do it by yourself. But if it's becoming challenging, please don't waste time to ask your coach. It's very important that you have a coach. If you don't have, please do. Because if you don't have, you might give up at a point when it becomes so tasking for you. And if you need a coach, you don't have any coach, then you can chat us. Okay, you chat me. You check the description, you're going to see my contact there. Okay, you can chat me, then we talk about it. Okay, but you need somebody that can be coaching you as you are learning. All right, good. So you need a coach. Then another strategy is that you should build something interesting. Some people will engage on learning only how to code, how to go for fundamentals. You keep learning fundamentals. You don't build anything interesting. No, at a point you have to start building something interesting, because when you are building something interesting, you hardly get tired of building it, because you are enthusiastic. You are very, very much interested in seeing the result. And once you are interested in seeing the result, you have to keep building it. Keep doing it. And any effort you made, you love it. Any effort you made, you are going to love it because you are working hard to see the end product. Do you get me? That's why you must build something interesting at a point, especially something that has connection with your vision. If you're building your vision, you don't really get tired of building it that much. Do you understand me? So that's why you must build your vision, okay? Build something, a product, okay, that represents your vision. It will ignite your interest and keep your interest burning as you're building it. And it will give you the required energy to keep building. Okay, and that will make you not to get tired easily. And why building the skill? If there are ways, if you can just find a way to make money from that skill, if there are ways you can make money from that skill while you are building it, do it. For example, myself, I've created so many ways my students can make money while they are learning the skill. Because you know, when you are making money from a field, then you find out that there is money in this field to be made. And you begin to see the opportunity you are going to have when you are done learning the skill. That if you are making money right now, when you are still learning, imagine the kind of money you are going to make when you are done learning. It will kind of encourage you to keep learning, to keep doing it. Do you get it? So at the end of the day, you will finish up what you started. Because what I notice is that a lot of people, they will start a course, they don't finish it. They will start online course, they will not finish it. Because at a point they get tired. They get tired and they give up. But in your own case, it's going to be different. If you apply all these things, don't force yourself to learn when you are tired, just go to sleep or go to do other things. All right, then make sure that you work with your coach. Okay, then finally build something interesting and then try to find a way to make money while you are building. If you do all these things well, then you won't get tired fast. Okay, you'll be encouraged, you'll be motivated, you will keep doing it. Then, if you need to contact me, please check the description. Okay, then if you love this video, I beg you, subscribe, share the video. Okay, beg you so much, share the video, like the video. Then if you need to contact me, check the description. You're going to see my number there. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can call me if you want to. All right, then you can also visit my website there, see the courses we sell, the ICT courses. I partner with other ICT professionals to deliver all ICT courses. So you can go to the website and check and choose the course you want, and you start learning. I wish you luck.